southwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, central Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 4:15 p.m. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Hartford County in northern Connecticut, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over West Hartford, moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Hartford, New Britain, East Hartford, Glastonbury, Newington, Wethersfield, Berlin, and Rocky Hill around 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Marlborough around 3:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Hebron around 3:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Tallinn County in northern Connecticut,